EmbedPlus YouTube WordPress plugin. This is the free version. As you can see, we have a host of features supporting several defaults that you're used to, but several others that support the plugin in very awesome ways. For example, the plugin allows you to embed live streams, and when you're not running a live stream, there's fallback content that can be displayed until the live stream starts. We encourage you to scroll around and look and see what we have. One of the things the plugin requires is that you create a YouTube plugin API key. And we have a host of instructions for you to do that. Just click this link here and read more about it. But this will allow the plugin to retrieve all sorts of metadata from the YouTube servers so we can support things like galleries. The plugin has an awesome wizard that allows you to generate shortcode without having to memorize things. There's a host of videos that show you how to use this wizard in our YouTube channel, we encourage you to check those out as well. Again, as I mentioned, galleries is another thing that this plugin supports. It supports galleries of playlists and entire channels. So there are various options that you have here. You can set the gallery size, which is how many thumbnails, number of columns, different features for mobile, and quite a few others. Just scroll in and try them out. There's an upgrade option which provides the plugin with a host of features that are added if you go the premium route. Where you get the full customization wizard. There are a few options in the current wizard for the free version, but you get added benefits with the pro version. So there's some caching with the pro version, lazy loading. The free version has facades, as we'll see later on. There's an added lazy loading feature for pro users. There's an option for live stream chat for pro users, and a few more of these. And you can, for one site, it's $39.99. That's a one-time payment. And if you're interested in other features like priority support beyond a month, analytics, alerts, and block country alerts, you can subscribe to one of these other options. Going back to the plugin, you'll see that we have a host of performance features. I mentioned facade mode earlier, and this is cool because it allows the plugin to load a lighter version of the player until you click that thumbnail, and then the actual player loads. This will benefit your page speeds. We've actually tested this out on Lighthouse. It doesn't require loading all the YouTube resources once your page loads, only when needed by the user as initiated by a mouse click on the player. There are a few other things that we can explore, but we'll move on. There are a few compatibility settings. This plugin has been made to be compatible with quite a few legacy WordPress features and quite a few other plugins. So when you request for support, for instance, we may ask you to flip the switch on some of these features if needed. There's some security and privacy benefits. We recognize that there are things that you might want to address when generating a page, like GDPR. So we have options like that. For instance, you can have a consent message show up instead of the actual player and only load the player once the viewer selects to accept YouTube content. Again, there are videos of these features in our YouTube channel, and we encourage you to check them out. This is the demo of the plugin in terms of using it to insert a video, gallery, or live stream. We'll do something really simple, but you'll see the wizard shows all the options you'll need to achieve your given task. So I'm going to hit the plus, search for YouTube, and you'll see this particular icon here represents our plugin. Click here, and then we're going to try and insert some content, and we start the wizard by clicking this button. Here you go. You'll see quite a few options here. Checking your embed settings, that takes you to the settings page shown earlier. You can embed a single video or YouTube short, embed a playlist, embed a channel, a live stream, or premiere. And if you're a pro user, you can check various things, block countries, deleted videos, and some other stuff. But we'll do something simple here and just embed a video. So let's just go ahead and take this as an example. So there we are. We can simply insert this into the editor by clicking this button. If you're a pro user, there are some other customizations that you can make. In the settings page of the plugin, of course, you can make some global customizations. But if you have the added benefit of being a pro user, you can have some extra customizations on a per video basis. Insert into editor, and here we go. Well, that's just a video, so it's not too complicated. But one of the things that's cool about this particular embed is that it uses the Facade feature. So it's not your regular YouTube video just simply stating there. It's actually the Facade that then gets loaded when a page gets loaded. And then when you actually click the video, that's when the actual YouTube player gets loaded, as you can see. Stop that, and now we'll do something else. Let's go ahead and add a gallery. So we can embed playlists as galleries or channels as galleries. So let's go ahead and take an example here again. So here's a channel, and we have the option to insert it as a playlist, which is just a standalone playlist player consisting of all the videos in this channel, or as a gallery. Again, you have customizations that are possible if you have that pro version. Here, in fact, is the playlist version of this channel, but we want to see a gallery, so we insert that as a gallery, and here we go. Again, if you're a pro user, you can change the customizations, so it can be like a slider. You can change things about the way the thumbnails are displayed, whether you want them to be circles, whether you want a vertical list, whether you want descriptions, and so on and so forth.